Spreading positions across many assets reduces variance. Each path takes a different trajectory through time, but a systematic event absorbs all of them simultaneously. Diversification does not cancel the possibility of ruin. Portfolio variance has two components: idiosyncratic terms that vanish with diversification, and covariance terms that depend on correlations. When correlations approach zero, portfolio variance approaches zero as well. But variance going to zero does not mean ruin probability goes to zero. Three independent assets each have their own survival probability. The probability of all three surviving is that probability raised to the power of 3. But a systematic shock does not act on assets independently. All paths absorb at once, regardless of how different their trajectories were. As diversification increases, portfolio variance decreases toward zero, but ruin probability does not track variance. It flattens and stays bounded from below. There is a floor that no amount of diversification can breach. The two quantities are not linked. In normal conditions, correlations between assets are low. Diversification provides genuine variance reduction. But in a crisis, correlations spike toward 1. The benefit of diversification collapses precisely when it is most needed. Portfolio variance can be driven to zero by adding more assets. Ruin probability follows a different curve. It decreases at first, then flattens at a systematic floor. This floor represents risk that cannot be eliminated by any portfolio construction. Ruin probability is a function of the joint distribution of paths and the position of the barrier. It is not a function of portfolio variance alone. Independent diversification drives variance to zero but leaves systematic ruin probability intact. Diversification is not insurance against ruin.